Best moisturizer analyzers for plastics. How to choose. Moisturizer analyzers for plastics is a device used to measure in industries that deal with the production of plastic items. For injection molding companies, the moisture content of the plastic resin is very crucial, for it determines whether a product will be of high quality or inferior. Ease of use. Machines that require constant calibration, for instance, need more skills, unlike their counterparts which can be operated using only basic skills. Speed and accuracy. The more accurate your moisture analyzer is, the more it will enable you to produce products of higher quality and encourage customer loyalty. Such facilities are more reliable for checking the moisture capacity of resin when it comes in and before hoppers are filled, and are also ideal for checking how bulk dryers are performing. Environmental considerations. With the rising concern over the environment, analysis methods that incorporate hazardous chemicals and solvents should be frowned upon. Durability and reliability. Buying a moisture analyzer is a substantial investment and therefore only takes value for money. Cost. There are actually low-cost moisture analyzers in the market that can serve you equal to or better than their expensive counterparts. An easily operable machine is a favorite, for it facilitates procedures and increases productivity, while your firm can also contribute to the conservation of the environment by implementing healthier technology.